Now suppose at this time you had some emergency and you have to just leave the session of this course creation, then what to do about it? Well, you can leave that, close the page or log out, and then when you're free again, just log into this website learn-online.in. Okay, and then click here login with your credentials. You go to this page where you start your role as a teacher. Now, in this case, you don't create a new course again, you just edit the course that you will be creating or you have been creating so far. Edit the course, you will get a list of all the courses that you have created. Well, if you have just one, you will get the one, but last course which will be created is this. You go to the last of this list and click here, manage this course. Now see, well in this you have to manage a lesson, but one course has been automatically added to this. This is wrong. You can just delete this lesson. You can delete this and close this window. Now go to this window and refresh it by pressing F5, and now you will see that there is only one course, one lesson in this course. Now you can manage this lesson here. Click here, and this was the lesson name, and about this lesson is this. Now manage this lesson. Now you can see that you have created one question in this lesson so far. You can edit that question again from here, or you can add another question. Let us see what this question is about. You can edit this question just to see that what is this option is about. Editing this question. So this is the paragraph that you have written. This is a query type voice answer, and you can manage this question. You can make changes in this question, or these are the, if you want to change this paragraph, you can change this here by clicking this, or you can change the timings, you can add images, sound, video later on also, if you have not created these things in the first go. So in this way you can manage a particular question and edit all the options from this page as well. So you can modify the question anytime later on and change those answers or whatever, all these options. Now close this. Now you have to add another question now. So click add question. Again you are coming with all these options. Now at this time you are making not voice answer but MCQ, multiple choice question. Go to this question text. Now select the paragraph again. So this is your paragraph. These are the questions. The first question is this: what is the topic of this passage? Control C. Now by pressing Alt tab, you can go to the previous page quickly. So between the two pages, you can go and move between the two pages by pressing Alt and Tab simultaneously. Now press Control V, and you have pasted your question here. You can delete this one because automatically the question number 2 is here. The questions will automatically be given the number. So the option for this, again Alt Tab. Copy this option, paste it here. Copy another option, go there, Alt Tab. This option, Control C, Control V, again Alt Tab. Where to almost the third option, go here, and the last option is this, so you can paste it here. Now you know what is the correct answer. You can write it here, or you can choose from here as well, whatever. Control C, and this is the right answer. See, the right answer is just a spelling match completely. It should not be, you should not write it, just copy it, so that there should not be any difference. Even if there is some space here or a capital T, like while you write another option, the answer yourself, the difference, the spelling will result in a wrong question, because the computer will not be able to associate this two. It has to be exactly the same. Now you have to give the second in which the student is expected to answer this question. So that is what this course is unique. That question has to be answered correctly in a definite number of seconds. It should not be unlimited time. So suppose you want the student should not exceed 60 seconds while answering this question. Otherwise, they have to answer this question again, even if they have answered correctly. They have to answer it correctly within this stipulated time before they pass out from this particular lesson of this course. So 60 seconds may be the appropriate time for them to give the answer, and then you can write the explanation here on your tab. You have written the explanation here already. Just copy it and Alt tab, paste this here. So in this way you have completely filled this all these options and create a question. Click here. Now you have created question number 2 here of lesson name this. Okay. You can upload this image sound if required, and upload the image sound or video for the explanation. Then we will move to another question. Again, the previous was multiple choice. The previous default choice is remembered by the computer. It has to be changed. It will be all these options. You have to click this, all. Now another question is go to the document again, and the second question you have to just copy here. I'll do it quickly now. Delete this. The options are copy. Just see how rapidly you can create the lesson. But before that you have to prepare the lesson, and you can just copy and paste it in the appropriate pages and the appropriate options. And this is the last choice. Control C and Control V. Now for this question, the option which is right is this. Okay, so even if this dot is there, it will copy it. This way we have created another question. So this is the way in which you can create the questions of these websites.